Have you ever had an old side table that you thought was beyond repair? Well, don't throw it away just yet. In this video, I'm going to show you how I gave my old scratched and marked side table a new lease on life by resurfacing it with epoxy resin and creating a stunning marble-like effect. To get started, I placed the top of the table on a bench and began sanding it down. This step is crucial as it provides a key for the epoxy to stick, ensuring a durable and long-lasting finish. Once the sanding was complete, I wiped off the dust to prepare the surface for the next step. Next, I mixed up a small amount of epoxy off-screen, incorporating jet black dye to create a rich and deep base coat. Carefully, I poured the epoxy onto the tabletop, spreading it evenly over the surface and down the sides. To achieve a seamless finish, I used a small paintbrush to coat the sides and remove any excess drips. After allowing the first layer of epoxy to cure overnight, I sanded it down again, providing a textured surface for the next coat to adhere to. Once I wiped off any remaining dust, I taped around the sides of the table, ensuring that the epoxy wouldn't overflow until I was ready for it. Now it was time to mix up a fresh batch of epoxy, reserving a small amount for the gold and white accents. Adding graphite powder pigment to the main mixture, I achieved a captivating marble effect. I poured the graphite epoxy onto the tabletop, spreading it evenly and creating a beautiful foundation. Taking the reserved epoxy, I poured elegant lines of gold and white across the table. With the help of a hairdryer, I carefully manipulated the epoxy, allowing the color to blend and create a captivating pattern. I left it to thicken up for a few hours before removing the tape from the edges, allowing the epoxy to gracefully flow down the sides. To guide the process, I gently used a small paintbrush. With patience and anticipation, I left the table for 2 days, allowing the epoxy to cure and transform into a solid, glossy surface. Finally, I polished the table to a high shine using a quality polishing compound, revealing its true beauty. I hope you found this tutorial inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed watching the transformation of this old side table, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting projects like this one. And remember, with a little creativity and epoxy resin, you can give new life to your furniture.